Email viewer preferences and engagement differ from brand to brand. So what advice would you give to a brand who is just starting to grow their email list and they don't know much about their subscribers or what content will interest them?
I would always start with talk to your, who are your best customers? Understand who your best customers are at that early stage, even at that early stage. Talk to your sales teams if you have them when they're going out there. Understand what kind of questions that they're getting, and also just look at your website traffic. Look at what keywords are actually driving to your pages and what content is actually sort of engaging folks at that early stage. But I think it's important also just to not confuse a good amount of traffic with valuable traffic. So you want to understand, one, who your best customers are, what questions are they asking, and how are they coming to your site? And then start to build your content around those questions and around those things in that area, and also put the lead capture on those pages. And another great way to actually think about this is kind of take it from the opposite side, right? Because a lot of people will do focus mostly on their website and trying to drive as much engagement as possible on there and do the lead capture purely on their website, where you might want to think about actually taking the opposite and going out into the paid space first. Promoted posts on Facebook. So within our space, we're all within email as a paid media channel as well. It's a great place to actually drive subscribers and engagement in that way. And use that to sort of like test out what content is actually driving the most engagement and what people are willing to give you an email address for. So the more that you can understand about why they're coming to you in the first place and what they find valuable about what you as a company specifically can do, and then just offering that to them, that's really where you need to start.